This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Tom Martin. New construction, under construction, Craftsman style ranch home in new subdivision convenient to everything. Popular Dogwood plan. Quality construction, outside all hardy for ease of maintenance. Right open floor plan west / 3 bedroom / 2.5 bath split bedroom plan, vaulted 9 and 10 feet ceilings throughout. Pretty entry foyer with double doors. Island kitchen with granite counters, stainless appliances and pantry. Vaulted great room with wood floors, stone fireplace, nice windows and open to dining area. Master bedroom with tray ceiling is / closets, master bath with dual sinks, separate tub and tile shower. 2 additional bedrooms, a second full bath. Home has a powder room, nice laundry room and 2-car garage west / opener. An unfinished bonus room over garage stub for a third bath.